everyone, and welcome to another video. I had to close the windows because it's been raining like crazy. It's probably one of the rainiest summers I've seen since moving to the UK. So I've been living here for 10 years now, and I seriously can't remember so much rain. The downside to that is obviously that I don't get to walk as much as I would like to, but on the other hand, we've had the most amazing rainbows as well. So I had a few clips of these rainbows in this video as well. So what's been going on with me? It's been a difficult time, and I keep saying that I will be talking about it more soon, but I promise I will, but I'm just not ready yet. So the wins for the day: I put on makeup, which I haven't done in ages, and I did feel better after doing that. And the fact that I'm filming this is definitely something that can be considered a bit of a highlight for the day. Today it's the 8th of August, and we are about to start a new moon cycle with the new moon, and it's a new moon in Leo, and it's supposed to be, whether you believe it or not, it's not important. I feel the Leo energy is so strong for me. I feel it really deeply, and the new moon is all about the energy of the heart. And one of the things that I've been doing lately is called the breath of heart meditation. And basically you close your eyes and you try to breathe, rather than breathing through your lungs, you imagine your heart being part of your lungs and becoming a lung. So you basically breathe that energy of life, vitality, rebirth, if you want, deep within your cells. And I found this exercise extremely beneficial for me, and I wanted to share it on here because I feel that we are so much in our heads, especially in a digital world, especially working a lot with computers and technology. This energy is focused mainly in our heads, and I want to embody it more. And the next step from the head would be in the heart, and then the heart, imagine the heart is like the sun, and it's basically sending all that energy, all that love, kind of in a like a ripple effect throughout your body. So this is what I wanted to share on here. I hope you enjoy the little moments that I have prepared for you in this video, and there are more to come. I enjoy making videos a lot, and I will keep doing that because it makes me feel alive, and this is a time to focus on the things that make us feel alive. And also, if something in your life is now gone, the energy of loss, the energy of grieving and mourning can be focused, or that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to focus my energy now on getting better at those things that I may not have had time before to focus on improving. So here's another little thing that I've been trying to make incremental changes and progress and steps forward in the things that I really enjoy. And one of the things that you will see in this video is watercolors. I am still really just a beginner with watercolors, but I'm persevering, and I guess that's another thing with the heart energy, the idea that our hearts are constantly beating and pumping blood and it's just this idea of an endless engine that keeps us moving. And it's not the brain. The brain has its own jobs to do, but it's the heart. And I feel like perseverance can be learned when it comes to just meditating on what the heart does. And with the watercolors, to kind of try and wrap up what I was trying to say, to make the link, the connection that is clear in my head, to make it clear for you as well. I was thinking that by persevering with things that are hard, like watercolors, you will become more resilient. And things that are hard in real life, if you keep at them, if you keep going and just don't give up, eventually will become easier. And yeah, if you have something that you find difficult, it's not about wanting to be good at it or sorting it out in one go, because of course this is what the mind wants. The mind wants a quick fix. But just like with watercolors, you just have to keep trying, and eventually what comes out will be more pleasant and more enjoyable. And you might have to make lots of mistakes and try several times, more times than you can imagine probably, but eventually you will get there. So I'm sending you lots of love in this month of love and energy from the sun, with the Leo energy ruled by the sun. And even if you don't believe in these things, I'm still sending you my love and energy on here. And I hope that you find some joy in the present moment and persevere with all the projects that you have going on. See you in the next video. Much love to you all.